Yeah. That was insane. I don't think I've ever seen it.
My block is...
New York, right?
Huh?
I don't think I've ever seen this in New York.
No, I've never seen this in New York either. This is literally... my block is filling up with the...
Yo, we're gonna be underwater.
With
Yo,
the
water, right
the
here.
water from the East River is literally coming up the fucking block. Look at this. This is filling up in like seconds. I don't know if you can see from here. Damn. Empire State Building. You can see from here. No, we can't. But at least we have house music. At least we have house music, and we're jamming to music. And it's okay. As long as we have electricity for the music, I am good. You can flood all you want. La música. We're watching Weeds, but now we're taking a little break. And we're going to listen to house music.